Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the synthesis of casein hydrochloric acid from GGPP. Now first we will see the synthesis of casein. First, draw the structure of GGPP. Step first is the loss of OPP and the formation of allylic carbocation. Okay. Next, these pi bond attack on here and stabilize the positive charge, and here the formation of new positive charge. Okay. Next, the loss of proton and the formation of cyclopropane ring. Loss of this proton, this bond attack on here or negative charge attack on here and stabilize the positive charge, and here the formation of cyclopropane ring. Okay. Formation of cyclopropane ring, and this is the structure of gas B. Okay. Next, we will see the synthesis of hydrochloric acid from GGPP. First, draw the structure of GGPP. Step first is the cyclization or ring formation in presence of proton H plus. Okay. Here the formation of positive charge. Next, the sequence of concentrated hexamer 1,2 hydrogen and 1,2 alkyl shift. Okay. Here this hydrogen shifted here, this methyl group shifted here, then this hydrogen and this methyl group. Okay. And the formation of this structure. This hydrogen shifted here, this methyl group shifted here, this hydrogen shifted here, and this methyl group shifted here. Okay. Next, the loss of and here formation of positive charge. Next, the loss of proton, loss of this proton and formation of here double bond. Okay, and stabilize this positive charge. Next is the selective enzymatic oxidation via OH2 aldehyde and aldehyde to carboxylic acid. Okay. Selective enzymatic oxidation via OH to aldehyde and aldehyde to carboxylic acid. Here the oxidation of this methyl group first is converted into OH, then further oxidation is converted into aldehyde, and next carboxylic acid. Okay, and here the formation of COOH. Okay, next step is the loss of OPP and the formation of here allyl carbocation. Okay, allyl carbocation. Next, the addition of water molecule H2O. The lone pair of oxygen attack on here and stabilize the positive charge, and here the formation of OH. Okay. Next step is the oxidation. Here loss of OPP. Oxidation of this methyl group is converted into alcohol, and this alcohol is converted into aldehyde. Okay, oxidation of Me2OH and OH2 aldehyde. Okay, here the formation of CH2OH, and here C double bond OH. Next, the heterocyclic ring formation. Okay, next step is the heterocyclic ring formation. The lone pair of oxygen attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon. This bond shifted here, O minus, and this negative charge abstract this hydrogen and stabilize the positive charge on oxygen atom. Okay, and here the formation of this structure. Okay, next, loss of water molecule. Here the H, this bond shifted here, this bond shifted here, and here loss of OH and H, loss of H2O, and the formation of furan ring and the structure of Hardwicke acid.